Yeah. The same way they can't understand it. They can't like shit. You can't understand. Itu follow the man is saying more for muga on a sign up a kenya for.
Okay, nuntamam.
No, nuntamam in yata, but saying say one time without muga understand. You know, why can't you to see Fayad? Wait, I'm found around the cake killing him by a sand.
Cake killing me.
No, below I feel it about honestly. Yeah, you don't call about a glory. You can't get any day near there. Yeah, that's it.
Kodola Kamin,
you know. Kodola
Kamin.
Kodola no Kodo, but it's no in the lemon dark.
They won't want the Hamilton. You have 100,000 auditions. It's a thousand. Manta, did you go in?
No, no, wait a minute. Bombarded, you know, Milan way of putting a melon or a phone, you know. Yeah, but I'm doing a lot.
You know, Kodo for what and in your bamboo.
I know. No, but you're Brazilian hair.
Careful in a Bond Street.
Wow, very nice. And the Malayan meal so long, you know.
Okay, what the near for art and say
we have nice one in America, but yeah, no put na from the you know, when going nada we can go to some shops, you know, yeah, I mean like you know, nasi, you know.
Don't worry, like go can worry, come if I'm bill, yeah? Until after me now come here your business will sort of understand. Yeah, understand. Every time I do that, I never do quality, but if I'm new business will start game.
Yeah.
Akakuja mala, akema ke kuja is a problem so to know out there. Ye nana jo atere la foundation of job strong din.
Exactly.
Yes.
No one tell a dream to you, no one knows not a job.
Yeah. But right now, it is my idea so to come in after coming. Because last time, the car rental. Aba buwan la yan?
Yeah, aba buwan po kanya is good. The car rental panang is good.
Yeah, it's good, but inte be suggest la mena. Your building material bichigolder also is really good. Mojamal la kataji.
Yeah, because Gambia jamol katara building construction.
Exactly. So it is a tamadula. It is a connection of the friend soul. So need a building material bichikoyen. Obviously. Exactly. Ila friend soul. Ibinala le ike petronine. Ika cementol sema.
And we definitely long Gambia janne.
Exactly. So all ka overtale. Aka unique la fana mo be mantara. Ye boy, it trust a mo kine mo fala ye dundi.
Exactly, yeah.
Yeah, understand. It taxi bagage ni mi alon ko ni mo le mili simen jamasang ika epa la ika samba. Yeah, understand. O business ifa de ikatal.
You know, idea is so good.
Yeah.
No idea ta about it.
Yeah. So
and kudo kono be like kaji ko mo do ka apartment on lo le keren. Sa ko ni December time mo ko no ika mo ko next year. Kaji like boom kilo mo 3 room Padilla 2005,
yeah. I think wala nyama.
So they are all money.
They are all money. Ika kodo bandila do, ni ba bunga ni lo kamber. Ila ika fenko ika ren nyame. Kodo ka over muri kana. Te ika profit me make akasiya. So business if I support it like start. Man la fi commuter ten, ya understand they be jang. This start with killing for all first. Yeah, start with killing that. Odo no e kodo min bondi ni ndo fana bilale ni ndo fana bilal. So even if betama do ita worried. Hani ye deport na ostafra e otosra hani ye munake. Aki makwela ni muruntana. So mo jamal ka fail wala like.
Nelo idea.
Tama na nang yena start fresh. Yalo di mental. So
yeah, smart girl. This is why I love you, man. Man, ninte for detail until life le bida mesla because na ko be na ko bida kasara la le. More than ni ne yana kodo be kasara so wala ne tarambala you know ika advice wal dinay yang samba ku yang falindi you know
na tariba ka advice din at the end after na niyo kyan this time around di pala dek
no hani yang fa yan dai kala because I'm not mad to do that again kon nyala mo da boy tam vitamin ko no alim bata ko ila ko wala boy ambe wo man da ko na ko ne basta yang ko yang fa jiro like seriously I wonder.
Malo.
Malo
nde.
Boy, I'm for you, boy.
Ani malo.
I love you so much. And then I'm talk upon as from today, we need hota. So I'll be any advice in that about that. I appreciate that. So saying, you know, more kendall on me along on Salam sort of my block. Like the good location,
Mo yellow mo jama bije man land on a sonda. Because maybe your experience at the first time, your experience means at the annual team. Yaran dol ka dol scam lem, but among ke come land on a soul baby lanya. Dol bije mi along ko they don't even scam. Exactly, because your experience means at the but among ka mo be ka mo scam. Exactly, mo dol bije mi along ko in the land over senior and dol bije is even a family land mi along ke ba African after na share. So me inte be ako ni jibel after ye land sang.
Yeah. Don't worry for nimba na mimbulu. Ata kaitol be doku everything na kodo dia ata sura ta kodo mina na dia na kaitol mo la fiye bota kola. You know yeta tani nala.
No, it's fine.
Kaitol be doku everything then.
No problem.
Na koda sicho na building on your start, you know. Na jiwe, you know, about business. Na business or start ni wala follow. Then after building material, minta muro dambi da channel no jora wala fanasa. Yeah, we open a shop for that one.
Yeah. Okay, I don't. You have a business on me. You start with small, then make a big, yeah. But near Terabe Bulokan, you can even start with big.
I'm here for a higher property, sort of. No finance. Easy. Can I worry?
For near rent, you should poke what?
No, babe, I'm not saying. Yeah,
no. Man for committers and all like abuka easy puriyaja, because mostly I can fall. Ni moli opportunity jana maika grappler. Because Jay is a bit of Jamalo.
Yeah, I'm a bit of an friend. Yeah, really, yeah, always good.
No, even profit bondilla. Yeah.
Okay.
You solve a bit called joke and then the profit bondica email of one keta.
Definitely, I guess. Then the highway property sell.
Hanina jacket.
Na suppose lodge maybe sub 6 or sub 5. So flow you don't occupy na business working or don't santo na be ke apartment or no panam be rent. Yeah, it's a good idea too.
Idea.
Yeah, so no okay, you know. But highway property sell na kono son. No okay, ama apartment or the banda fana na okay business place there and something. Yeah, man. So
good idea too. Yeah. But jam konyo ba diaro.
Dia na kay ba pa mo da insi para de. Smell ba?